So can we pull back XBRL using our web queries in Power Query? Well, let's have a look, shall we? If we go to the Data tab and we go to this new Get and Transform Data stuff that Excel have made part of the product, and we choose from Web, we will have an opportunity to enter a HTTP web request in the URL box. And this is the way that we bring back our data in Excel. We use a very simple HTTP web request, which we can see in a browser. So if we fire up Firefox, or we just come into our website here, and as we are passing through our website, I will draw your attention to the fact that this is where your token would appear if you were to log in. And that token you need to enter into your web request. So a very simple web request would be something like this, and we send that away, and it immediately brings back all this wonderful XBRL data. All these are the sections, and then these are, as you can see, all the numbers you might expect from the income statement and every financial statement that you can think of which has XBRL. So yeah, let's go back right to the beginning. And yeah, so let's have a quick look at the web request. This is where you put the token in. This is using the default token, which is 0, and as you can see, that's the guest token. So what it does is it brings back just the same filing over and over again. So in fact, this EID equals MSFT is irrelevant in this case because you can change it to a completely different company, such as Google, say, and you won't get Google at all. You'll still get Microsoft until you change your token to a valid one. The main point here is just to demonstrate that this is very, very simple technology. It's just a web request. And so if we take that web request and put it back into Excel and into the web form here, so let's just copy that in, and we click OK. It will run away and make that exact same web request, and it will have a look at it, and it will see that it's got 4 tables, and we've deliberately set it up with 4 tables, and we've deliberately made the final table one full of the financials. So that income statement we were looking at earlier, here it is in Excel. So if we click on load, it will bring it directly into Excel, and we have in the process set up a Power Query to pick up XBRL from our website. There we go. Don't know why it did that, but it's done it now, and yeah, so here it is.